Alright guys, so I was like kind of bored and everything. I don't know, I mean like, I want to go somewhere, to be honest. What's up? Got my caddy. Yes, it's a CD5. Okay, so crazy part is that wherever you want to go, we'll drive.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay.
Let's see what he says.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Utah.
He said Utah?
Okay, we're doing Utah?
We're doing Utah. So let's go. You want to drive?
Sure. I'm down to drive a cab.
Okay.
Let's stop by Vegas for a little bit. I mean, we're passing by. Let's just stop by, play some.
You know what? Let's talk to Vegas. From there to St. George, then there to Utah. How about that? Let's do it. Chase time. Take out some money really quick. Already here. Small stop or anything. You want to drive or I want to drive? Craving time, craving time.
Imagine you getting copyrighted for your own music.
The album.
Shut it down to dance. This music is so smooth, I feel like I'm floating in the Dead Sea water. Woo! And the salt just has me up there. When I was in Egypt and there was gypsies dancing around me and I was smoking kalyan, this is the music that plays in the back.
Okay. What is the album name though?
Cali Bass?
Ah, yeah. If you guys want to listen to this album, I'll post a link down below from cdbaby.com.
Are you telling me you made this music?
Duh, who else?
And when did this come out?
2 years before?
Why is this the first time I'm hearing this?
Because you do not listen to it, and I forcefully made you listen to this.
Lesson of the day, guys. If your friend forcefully makes you listen to something, just do it. It might be good, it might not be. In this case, you decide. Leave a comment down below.
This car out there is driving without any lights, so its lights are turned off. Is Anton flickering? Oh,
and now what the?
So that is the car again. You will see that he's literally holding up lanes right now. Let's see if he has no lights. This guy has no lights. Or does he have front lights? He has front lights.
Oh, not
Kind of dimmer. We just reached Gorilla Sushi. I want to have some sushi. So, first part of the trip is kinda complete, to be honest. Just in Gorilla Sushi, have some food. This is the gear.
Rocking the Peter McKinnon X Nomadic.
Okay, so no clothes, but we have like a lot of drones, right?
A lot of drones. A lot of drones.
And
Ataliwa 2.
Best Buy
is one of the gems.
Okay.
That right now is very hard to find in the world. And it's something called Nintendo Switch.
Oh shit.
And why I have it is when I have a mental breakdown from all my batteries charging, I decide to play some Nintendo.
This part of the video is shot with a GoPro Hero 9. 20 megapixel, does it make a difference? We'll check that out. But let's do a check-in at first. Start. That's how you open the gate.
Just wait now.
New norm, right? That's good actually. It's been like the whole 5-6 months. So we got our temperatures checked. So that's the new norm out here. Getting your temperatures checked. This lobby is empty, where this should be filled with, like, there are all slot machines out here, but that's totally gone. Let's see the room. That's our room. You'll get this new sticker in Vegas now, and all of these stickers will say cleaned for you, Vegas safe. Well, that's our room, folks. We have just reached Vegas. That was part 1. Tomorrow will be our day when we fly our drones. And oh, you get a hand sanitizer kit, some 2 masks and 2 keys and a hand sanitizer. That's nice.
I'm gonna go take a shit quickly while you're vlogging.
Okay, well, good night. Coming to Vegas and not gambling a little bit, is that fine?
I mean, $1,000 is not tiny.
She has a 10.
She has 11. She doesn't have